won't make it to my dreams unless you give it your all. Can't you see that your love is stalled? United we stand, divided we fall. I'm trying to make a plan that has you involved, but you've so much hurt, unresolved, and I've my own problems to solve. And emotions, don't you overdose on your anger because I love you. Oh yes I do. And emotions, don't you overdose on your anger because I love you. Yes I love, yes I love, yes I love. How I love, how I love, how I love. Yes I love, yes I love, yes I love. How I love, how I love, how I love you. Did the powers that be give you some sort of recipe so now you're equipped to give me therapy on how to carefully achieve my destiny? I'm just asking for clarity, because observation is my specialty. So I've been watching you, watching me, and I found a few discrepancies. You have this tendency to pinpoint me as the enemy, but you fail to take into account our lives don't have the same expectancy. This is America, my skin is ebony. The struggle for me is endless. I ain't walking to this room helpless. You hired me, so my presence here is a necessity. Yet you insist I hide my integrity so that I may potentially do this successfully. Did I hear you correctly? But what about respect? What about my ability to connect? Am I just supposed to let that go because you tell me so? And while we're on this subject, I've just got to know, why am I held accountable for how you interpret me? Is it my fault you don't understand me? Did you give it an honest try? I walked in, I said hi. I sat in the corner of the room, you didn't come by or even ask me why. But when they call you about me, you lie. Paint me out to be some bad guy. What's my point? When you put yourself above me, how can you expect me to be bubbly? Life ain't lovely, it's ugly. People treat me roughly. So what? I get touchy. I get up on this stage, I let go, and crowds love me. I'm here, passionately wounded by scars. I show up, not always punctual, but useful. I do all that I can to be truthful, and even though that part is brutal, it's crucial. It's crucial. I do all that I can to be truthful, and even though that part is brutal, it's crucial. And emotions, don't you overdose on your anger because I love you. Oh yes I do. And emotions, don't you overdose on your anger because I